Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys the tutorial on how to adjust your micro KORS, either your rose pink, your gold, or your silver watch. So let's go ahead and get this started. So you want to go ahead and open your watch box and then carefully remove it out of your pillowcase. Normally you want to do some measurement first, okay? Put it around your wrist and then see how much link that you need to remove. As you can see, it is pretty loose, but I only need to remove one link for my wife. But you need to do some measurement and be careful, okay? You want to have this collapse right under your wrist in the center area. So you gotta determine which either the top or the bottom of the link that you need to remove. So as you can see, the link, it is sit lopsided. So if I remove one, you should sit, I don't think it's gonna be sit right in the center of the wrist, but we will see, okay? So this is the tricky part. You need to find out if the pin, it is a screw-on type or the push-in type. See, at first when I look at it, I thought it has like a flathead screw-in type. So fortunately, this is the push-in type or push-out. As you can see by looking at the arrows, normally within the links they are like a 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 links with the arrows on there. Let me try to zoom in for you guys to check it out, guys. So as you can see, the arrow is pointed outward, okay? So those are very critical. The reason I want to demonstrate this video is because I was pushing the pin out in the wrong direction. So as you can see, the arrow is pointed this way, okay? And then when I try to adjust it or take out the pin, I push out this way, so it's not going to come out. So I'm going to demonstrate that real quick for you guys to see. So I got this special tool that I got it on eBay. And this was only like a couple bucks, I think $2 or $3. So you just need to go shop around and then find the cheapest seller out there, okay? So I'm gonna demonstrate real quick for you guys. If I push in the wrong way, what's gonna happen. So as you can see, I'm just gonna use this pin with the screw to push out. Gotta make sure you screw right into the hole, not onto the links, or you're gonna scratch it or damage it. So as you can see, it is pretty easy. Just screw it like that. See? So this is the wrong way, okay? It would not allow me to push this pin out, and that's the farthest it's gonna come out. So I accidentally try to use a plier to pull it out, and it does not allow me. So that means that's the wrong way. So you need to push this back in. So normally I use this as a vise to push in. Okay, and now it's back in. The right way is to push out from this way to that, from this way to that side. Okay, so let's go ahead and then do that. So I only need to remove one link. So let me see. And also you could do this at home if you have like a small hex, very fine hex screwdriver, and you could tap it out with the. So you see it's come out so easily. Now it's coming apart. So this is where I'm going to show you guys and zoom in. Hopefully I can zoom in correctly. Maybe I should put on the box. You see how the screw, it has a split in right there. So when you look on the top, it almost looked like a flathead screw. So at first I thought it was a flathead screw. So lucky I didn't force it or do anything to mess it up. And that flathead screw is where the arrow pointing out at. Okay. So that means this one has a push in from the arrow with the arrow pointing out. If you want to put it back together. So be sure don't mix it up, or else you're gonna mess up the watch. So what I like to do is show you guys, because this is the top. As you can see, the top is pointed out this way, and this is the bottom. It is pointing out the opposite direction. Okay, so make sure you are aware of that. So now I'm going to remove another link. So let's go ahead and use this same tool. So it's very easy. Once you push out the pin, it just becomes loose. And then you just remove this pin slowly. As you can see, the slit is open right there. And just pull out. That's it. It's so very simple. And just remove the link that you don't want. I'm not sure why that one comes out so hard. So once you remove the link or the pin out this way, it has to go into the same way, okay? and then you push in with the on the flat surface, and once you hear click, should be going correctly. And make sure it is flush and nothing sticking out. So this one is kind of sticking out, so I'm going to push in using the tool. And you don't want to rush it, okay? Alright, so everything looks good. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the videos. Hopefully this video will help you guys out. If you go to like a watch repair shop, they probably charge you like 15-20 bucks for the to adjust or resize the link. But if you buy from KORS, and then they have a technician out there, they could do it for you for free. Alright? Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on your bell for notification, guys. Alright? So I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out. So this is what it looked like after I adjust it for my wife. She like to feel loose a little bit, because before was too tight, and her hand got like an indentation of the watch band. So she likes it better now. Alright?